Hi, so it's Mickey from My Suzuki. A little bit of a walk around today on a wild wind that's just about to go out. It's going to its new owner. It's been prepared. It's had everything done to it. We're just waiting for the haulage company to give us a date, and it's off. It's a 2009 wild wind. You can see it there in the background. It's a really nice example. Why I wanted to show you a couple of things on this. It's because we've done some extras that we don't normally do. We've put an aftermarket fascia on that the third-party company sells, which fits. Oh, just let this car go. Which fits the head unit in really nice. It just slots in. We've also, if you can see there, something a little bit different. We've put on a shark fin antenna. Now the difference with the shark fin antenna, which I'll mention again, so sorry if it gets repeated. It's got 20 decibels again. It's for FM, DAB and GPS. So it serves three purposes. Now we've got a shot of the Android Auto. This will now show anything that is on your phone that's compatible with Android Auto. So any app that's compatible with it. Got Amazon Music, you've got your phone, your phone in a number of different ways, but it's handy to have it there. The maps there is Google Maps, which I prefer. You've got your messages and Messenger, which are always fighting with each other. You've got podcasts, you've got your playbooks, you've got your Spotify. Spotify's already on the Pioneer unit, but not always. Waze, another option. TomTom, so you've got three different sat navs there, whichever you prefer. WhatsApp, I'm not going to go into that just in case there's a message, but it just shows. We'll go back down to maps. Put into maps, boom, straight on like that. That's my unit in the mill, 6 miles away. My mum's house, 7 miles away, just 2 minutes round the road. Well, 3 minutes, but it's you can change from satellite to traffic, so it looks a little bit more like you normally would find it. And then if you boom that, it will load the route, have a look at it, and you're off. You set off, and it's great. So, one more thing. There's no tools on the way. Don't worry about that. One more thing. If we put it into reverse, and it's going to be a poor picture because we're actually inside a unit here. And there we go. There's your reversing camera in the dark, picking up quite a good signal. It looks a bit skew with, but that's because it's so close to the blocks. It is actually straight. And we're back onto this. Back to the home screen. I'm gonna keep the volume down on this for one reason, and it's a shame not to show you the quality. Look, it's actually got me. It's got Android Auto, so you can jump straight back into them. That knows it's connected to my phone. That knows it's connected to Android Auto. If we pull that out, it's not going to be connected anymore. So we can go to FM. I'm going to keep the volume down because YouTube has a habit of wanting to mute things if it's got copyright issues. That one is a station without a name. This should be Radio 1. Then we should go classic. Yep. And all the ones 102.5 pulse. 103.7. Not sure what that is. The next one should be 105.1. And then we can go on to DAB. And this has got a ton of shall we turn it up, shall we? Why not? It sounds awful. Just to show you, no, sorry, graphic equalizer. Let's get rid of that. Got your equalizer, vocal. If this is your music, then you can have it in a lot of different ways. Might not be. You might be more of a classical person, but who knows? Each to their own. Got a station list there, and the station list, I've done one sweep with it, and it's recognised a ton of stations, and that's because we've got the shark fin antenna. The shark fin antenna is terrific. So all in all, it's quite a nice unit. And there you go. And then it's good night, piano.